We're at the top.
Oh no! Oh no! Almost there! Is there a big drop going? Yes. I'm so scared. But this is actually quite good. I gotta hold it. I gotta hold it. Almost there. It's not done.
39 seconds.
Wait, it's not.
Well, some of that was waiting for the train in front of us.
That looks so scary. It's not.
Oh, that was so good.